हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आप सभी का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल में। टुडे वी विल लर्न अबाउट इंटरवल एस्टिमेशंस। In last class we learned about parametric estimations and we did problem solving also based on perimeter estimations. In this class we learn about interval estimation. So let's start. Now see here, interval estimation. In interval estimation, see this equation: x bar plus minus z alpha by 2 sigma by under root of n. This x bar is known as point estimations, and this full is known as margin of error. Margin of error z alpha by 2 sigma by root under n. And 1 minus alpha is known as confidence coefficient, and z alpha by 2 is known as z value provides the area of alpha by 2 in upper tail standard normal probability distributions. Now see the confidence level. When in question they said confidence level is 90%, this is the confidence level: 90%, 95%, 99%, and this is the value at 90%. At 90%, value of alpha is 0.10 and value of alpha by 2 is 0.05 and value of z alpha by 2 is 1.645. When confidence level is 95, when confidence level is 95%, then the value of alpha is 0.05 and alpha by 2 is 0.25 and z alpha is 1.960. When confidence level is 99%, then value of alpha is 0.1, alpha by 2 is 0.05 and z alpha by 2 is 2.576. Okay, now we will see the problem. Now see the problem. Now see the problem and try to solve by on your sequence. Now see problem. A simple random sample of 40 items result in a sample mean 25. Mean is 25. The population standard deviation is sigma 5. What is the standard error of mean sigma x? Standard error of sigma x. See, they will give standard deviation is 5, mean is 25, and n is 40. What is the formula for standard deviation? Standard error. Formula for standard error is sigma by root of n. So 5 by root of 40. You can get 0.79056. Okay. Now see, at 95% confidence level, at 95% confidence, what is the margin of error? Margin of error. So the margin of error means z alpha by 2 sigma by n. This is the margin error. Margin error means z alpha by 2 sigma by root of n. Okay. Now see, at 95% confidence, z alpha by 2 and sigma by root of n. When confidence level is 95%, when confidence level is 95%, confidence level is 95%, the value of z alpha by 2 is 1.960. So we'll put in the place of this one 1.960 and sigma we know 5 and root n 40. After solving this one, we can get 1.5494. Okay. Now see these questions. A sample of a sample random sample of 50 items from a population with sigma n resulted in a sample mean is 32. Then given n is 50, sigma is 6 and x bar is 32. First question is 90% confidence. 90% confidence. Okay. So we have to find what we have to find. Provide a 90% confidence interval for population means. Interval for population means. We have to find interval. Okay. So for interval, this is the formula. X bar equal x bar. Formula is x bar plus minus z alpha by 2 sigma by root of n. We have to find interval of population mean. For 90% confidence. See, x bar we know 32 plus minus When 90% is there, then what is the value of Z alpha by 2? When 90% confidence level is 90%, then Z alpha by 2 1.645. Okay, so we write 1.645 and 6 by root n. If you solve this one, you will get 1 solve plus for plus and 1 time solve for minus. Then you can get this answer 33.60417 and 33.397. So the range interval is 30.6 and this is the range sign, range to 33.339. This is the range. When you solve for 95% confidence, then use same formula and in the place of x bar you put 32, and when 92% is, when 95% is there, then Z alpha by 2 value is 1.960, and put the value and you will get the answers, this one and this one. This is the interval. Between this interval it's like for 99% also same. Use same formula, and when 99% confidence is there, then the value of confidence alpha by 2 is 2.576, and put 6 and root 50. You will get the answers. Range is this one. See these questions. At 95% confidence interval for a population mean was reported to be 52 to 160. If sigma is 15, what sample size was used in these studies? Means we have to find sample size, we have to find n. Okay, so they will give x bar equal to 152 and 160, 152 and 160, 152 and 160. Okay, so we will solve for 150 and 160 both. When formula is x bar plus minus Z alpha by 2 and sigma by root of n. Okay, so one in the place of x bar we write 152 minus, this is Z alpha by 2. Z alpha by 2 means 95%, and then for 95% the value of confidence level is 1.9, and this is the 15 and root n. This is also same, in the place of here 160 is coming. While solving this one, if you solve this one here, then you can get the value of n. Once try you n equal to 54. Okay, this topic is completed. This is the last topic of these chapters. Means this chapter, sample theory chapter, is completed. Thank you. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और हंसते रहे, मुस्कुराते रहे, पढ़ते रहे। बाय बाय।